Hi, everyone, and hi, Jack. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Emma, and this channel is all about learning English in a fun and easy way for everyone. Today, we are going to talk about airports, buying tickets, and how to ask for directions when you travel. If you like this episode, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Hey Emma, I'm ready. This topic is perfect. I love traveling, that airports can be a little confusing sometimes.
You're not alone. Airports have a lot of words, signs, and steps. We will make all of that simple and clear. We will use short sentences and real examples. And remember to pause and repeat if you want to practice.
Great. Let's start from the beginning. When someone decides to travel, what is the first thing they should do at home?
First, check your passport. Make sure it is valid. Then check the flight time. If possible, buy your ticket online. Buying online is usually faster, and you can compare prices and times. Use a trusted website or the airline app.
How do you buy a ticket online? What information do they ask for?
They ask for your full name as on your passport, your date of birth, and your contact email or phone number. If you travel internationally, they may ask for passport details. You also choose your seat and pay by card. After payment, you get a ticket on your email. Print it or save it on your phone.
And if someone doesn't want to buy online, what can they say at the airport counter?
Simple and polite language works best. You can say, "Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to Los Angeles, please." If you want to return, say, "One round-trip ticket to Los Angeles, please." Or say, "One one-way ticket to Los Angeles, please."
Round trip means going and coming back, right?
Yes, round trip means you will return after your trip. One way means you only go. Very simple words, but they are important.
Okay, after buying a ticket or checking in online, what do you do next?
Go to the airport with enough time. For domestic flights, arrive about 2 hours before the flight. For international flights, arrive 3 hours before. At the airport, go to the check-in counter if you need to drop off luggage or show a passport. If you already checked in online and have a mobile boarding pass, you can sometimes go straight to security.
What exactly is a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is the pass you use to board the airplane. It shows your seat number, the gate number, and the boarding time. For example, it might say Gate 22A, Seat 14C, boarding at 10:20. Keep it with your passport.
How do I ask someone at the counter where my gate is?
You can say, "Excuse me, where is Gate 22A?" Or, "Could you tell me where Gate 22A is, please?" That is polite and clear.
What about security? I always worry about that.
Security checks are standard. Put your carry-on on the X-ray belt. Take out electronics like laptops and tablets. Liquids must be small, usually 100 milliliters or less, and in a clear plastic bag. Remove your belt and heavy jacket if needed. Walk through the scanner when the staff tells you. If you follow instructions, it is quick.
I remember once my phone rang in the scanner. That was embarrassing.
A good tip is to put your phone in your pocket on airplane mode or silent before you put it in the tray.
What are some important words I should know at the airport?
Check-in, security, gate, boarding pass, passport control, immigration, baggage claim, customs, and transfer. Each word has a simple meaning. Check-in is where you register for your flight. Security is where you and your bags are checked. Gate is where you wait to get on the plane. Baggage claim is where you pick up your checked luggage after landing.
What is the difference between immigration and customs?
Immigration checks your passport and reason for travel. Customs checks the goods you bring into the country. At immigration, you show your passport and answer a few questions. At customs, you may need to declare items you bought or are bringing into the country.
If I do not know how to answer a question at immigration, what should I say?
Keep it short and true. Say, I am here for vacation or I am here for work. Say how long you will stay, like 2 weeks. Give the address where you will stay. If you stay in a hotel, say the hotel name. If you stay with a friend, give their full address.
What if I don't have the exact address?
Write the hotel name or city and a contact phone number. That is usually fine. If you stay with a friend, ask them for the full address before you travel.
Good tip. Now, let's talk about baggage. How many bags can I bring?
Check the airline rules. Most airlines allow 1 carry-on bag and 1 personal item, like a small backpack or handbag. Checked bags usually cost extra for some tickets. Cabin or carry-on bags must fit in the overhead bin or under the seat. If your bag is large, you may need to check it.
What should I pack in my carry-on?
Pack your passport, boarding pass, phone, charger, medication, a change of clothes, snacks, and important documents. Keep valuables with you. Also, pack a small bottle of water after security or an empty bottle to fill later.
If my flight is delayed, what should I do?
Check the airport screens and the airline app. Go to the airline desk for information. Sometimes the airline offers rebooking or meal vouchers if the delay is long. Always keep your boarding pass and contact the airline staff politely. Say, "My flight is delayed. What are my options, please?"
What about transfers and connections?
If you have a connecting flight, you may need to change planes at another airport. The airline will show your connection on your boarding pass. Look for signs that say transfers or connections. If you have a short connection time, speak to the airline staff at the gate. They can help you move faster.
What's the best way to ask for help inside the airport?
Say, "Excuse me, can you help me please?" Or, "Could you tell me how to get to gate 22A?" Or, "Where is baggage claim?" You can also ask for a map. Is there a map of the airport I can use? Simple, polite questions get good help.
Let's do a short practice. I will ask and you answer like a staff person, okay?
Sure, go ahead.
Excuse me, where is gate 22A?
Go straight ahead, turn right at the coffee shop, and gate 22A is past the security area. You will see a sign.
Go straight, turn right at the coffee shop, gate 22 past security. Thanks, that was easy.
Great. Practice like that helps a lot.
Can we talk about buying tickets at the machine or kiosk? I see those a lot.
Yes, many airports have self-service kiosks. Use the kiosk to print your boarding pass or to buy a ticket. Choose English on the screen, enter your name or booking reference, select your seat, and pay. The kiosk prints your boarding pass and sometimes a baggage tag. Keep the boarding pass.
And how do I choose a seat? Sometimes I see a seat map.
Look at the seat map. Window seats are usually marked with A or a small window icon. Aisle seats are near the walkway. Seats with more space may have labels like extra leg room. If you travel with a child, choose seats together. If you want to leave quickly at arrival, choose seats near the front.
Do people tip at airports for porters or helpers?
It depends on the country. In some places, tipping a small amount for porters or bell staff is common. For taxis, rounding up is normal in some countries. Check local customs before travel.
What about safety? Any safety tips at the airport?
Keep your valuables close. Watch your bags, and do not leave things unattended. Use a lock for checked luggage if you like. Keep copies of your passport on your phone and a paper copy in your bag. If you lose a document, go to the airline desk or the local embassy for help.
If I lose my passport, What is the first step?
Report it to airport security and to the local police if needed. Then contact your embassy or consulate. They can help with emergency travel documents. Keep a photo of your passport on your phone to speed up the process.
Emma, what is customs' simple question again?
Customs asks about goods you bring into a country. If you have items to declare, use the red channel and fill out the form. If you have nothing to declare, use the green channel. Always be honest.
Let's add a small practice list for our listeners. Repeat after us slowly.
Excuse me, where is gate 22A? I would like to buy a ticket to New York, please. Can you help me with my bag, please? Those are great practice lines. Repeat them a few times and try them out loud.
Emma, do you ever get nervous when you hear the loud announcements?
Sometimes. Announcements can be quick. A good idea is to look at the flight information screens. They show gate changes and times. Also sign up for airline alerts on your phone to get messages about your flight.
What if my gate changes? How will I know?
Check the screens and listen to the announcements. Also check your phone for messages from the airline. If you see a gate change, go to the new gate quickly. If the flight is boarding, staff will usually help with directions.
If someone wants to save money, when is the best time to buy a ticket?
Ticket prices change. Try to book a few weeks in advance for the best prices. Midweek flights can be cheaper than weekend flights. Use price comparison sites and set price alerts if you can.
Any tips for traveling with a child or elderly person?
Arrive earlier to avoid stress. Many airports allow families to board early. Ask for help from airline staff when needed. Bring snacks, a small toy, and a change of clothes for kids. For elderly passengers, ask about wheelchair assistance if needed. Staff will guide you.
We mentioned baggage claim earlier. How do you know which carousel your luggage will be on?
After you land, look at the baggage information screens. Find your flight number and the carousel or belt number. Wait at that belt until your luggage appears.
If luggage is lost, what should I do?
Go to the airline baggage office near the carousel. Give them your boarding pass and a description of your luggage. They will ask for your contact information and track your bag. Most lost bags are found within a few days.
Emma, quick question about language. How do I ask if someone speaks English?
Say, "Do you speak English?" Or, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" If they say no, try simple words or use a translation app. Many airport workers speak basic English.
And if I need to buy a train ticket from the airport to the city, what do I say?
Say, "Where can I buy a train ticket to downtown?" Or, "How do I get to the train station?" The staff will show you the route to the trains and the ticket machines.
We are reaching the middle of our talk. If you like this episode, please like the video and subscribe. Share it with a friend learning English. It helps a lot.
Thank you. Now let's talk about a few funny or real travel stories to keep this light. Jack, tell us one of your travel mistakes.
Okay, one time I arrived at the airport and realized I left my sunglasses on the roof of my car. I had to go back home and get them. I made the flight, but I learned to check twice before I leave. It was a quick panic, but I made it.
One time, I almost left my suitcase at a coffee shop. I only noticed when I sat down on the bus. I ran back, and the baristas had put it aside. Small scares are part of traveling, and they teach you to be more careful.
Those small stories make you laugh later, right?
Yes, and they make good memories. Okay, one more practical section. How to ask for a refund or change a flight.
That sounds useful. What should I say at the counter?
Say, "Excuse me, my flight was canceled. What are my options, please?" Or, I need to change my flight. What can you do for me? Be polite and give your booking reference. If the airline offers a voucher or a new flight, they will explain your options.
And if you want to upgrade a seat?
Ask at check-in. Say, is there an available upgrade to business class? Sometimes you can pay a fee. Be polite and friendly.
We have covered a lot today. Quick practice again. Repeat. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 22A is? I would like a round-trip ticket to Los Angeles, please. Where is the baggage claim?
Perfect. Keep practicing those lines. Leave a comment with a sentence you want help with, and we will use it in a future episode. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this talk.
I will like and subscribe right now. Thanks, Emma. This was really helpful.
Thank you all for listening to Speak Easy English. Travel is fun, and with simple phrases and a little practice, you will feel confident at the airport. Safe travels, and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon, and happy travels.
Bye for now, and remember to keep practicing your English with small, real conversations.